Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best PiggyVest security features and how to use them. And here's the breakdown. PiggyVest keep your money safe with features that are easy to turn on and smart to use. First, enable the two-factor authentication, which is the 2FA. So every log need a code from your phone. This stops anyone from getting into your account even if they guess your password. Next is to set up a strong unique password that you don't use anywhere else. So that's the first line of defense you could turn on to secure account. And also turn on the transaction alert so you get notified instantly when money moves in or out. This also helps you spot anything unusual right away. So also, if you lock savings with save lock, those funds can't be touched until the set date, so adding an extra layer of protection for long-term goal. Use this feature together to make your PiggyVest account secure and stress-free. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more easy money tips, and comment which security tips you would like to turn on your PiggyVest account. And that's it.